Let's take a look at this customized Peltier Elite 2026 Ford F350 Platinum Plus FX4. First thing you'll notice are these polished 26-inch American Force Plague wheels wrapped in 37-inch Fury Country Hunter MT tires. She's upgraded with a Zone 4-inch lift and Fox 2.0 shocks, and we've also upgraded to dual Fox 2.0 steering stabilizers. And of course, we've added ceramic window tint to keep you cool. We've also custom paint matched the exterior, like the Ford emblem and the F350 side badges. And because she's tall, we equipped her with these electronic running boards, so you can step up and stand out. Moving around back of this FX4 Platinum Plus, you'll find our high-class Platinum electronic tailgate. And inside the bed, we've equipped this truck with a spray-in bed liner and fifth-wheel hitch. Moving inside, you'll find our incredible Platinum Plus heated, cooled, and massaging seats with multiple settings. This truck is so luxurious, you'll forget you're driving a Super Duty. And if you look up, you'll see she's also equipped with an enormous power-opening panoramic sunroof. Oh yeah, and that bump you're feeling is coming from this custom-installed 8-inch kicker sub that enhances the already incredible B&O 14-speaker premium audio system. And one last thing, with 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, you'll need a little help from this custom-installed radar and laser detector so you can get up to speed without getting into trouble. At Peltier Ford, we don't just offer a wide variety of in-stock Custom Elite trucks, we can also have them custom built to your spec. So come see us in Longview, Texas for your next show-stopping Ford.